One life to live.
I don't. He's usually on time.
Relax, darling. Relax. I'm looking forward to meeting your friend. What is he, an A student, captain of the swim team, president of the class, right?
Mm-hmm. You know, he's not a grind, though. He's cool. He's like a regular guy.
Well, then I'm not at all surprised that he would like you. You've always struck me as being rather cool yourself.
Get real, Mom. Now, this guy is a senior. That's a whole class ahead of me. Most of those guys don't even think I'm good enough to inflate their sneakers. But, you know, Billy, he's different. He's... Billy, dude. Hey.
Stop, Vanessa.
You guys you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, it is? Yeah, it's my mom. You couldn't figure that out.
Well, it's very nice to meet you, Billy. Sit down. Join us, please. How have you and your parents taken to Landview, huh?
I've had a pretty easy time of it, you know. Joey and the others have been really great. But, my parents, they seem to feel like the new kids on the block still.
Oh?
Ever since my dad's job moved us here a year ago, they still haven't found a circle to fit in yet, so...
Well, what are their interests?
My mom does a lot of charity work, and my dad's this rabid golfer, so, you know...
Oh, well, my goodness, they should join the country club. We have a wonderful golf course and a lot of rabid golfers.
My mother has been dying to get in there, but she hasn't found anyone to sponsor us yet, so...
Oh, well, any member could do it, but I don't see why your father and I couldn't do it, no? In fact, I have time. Why don't you ask them if they're free this afternoon, if they wouldn't like to stop by the house and we could talk about it? Do you think they'd like that?
Oh, they'd flip.
Oh.
But in a very dignified way, of course, you know.
Oh, of course. Would you like to go and call them now?
Sure. Back in the flat.
What did I tell you? This guy's great or what?
Yeah.
Walter loves his new job. We found a very nice house in Algonquin Park.
Oh, well, that's a beautiful area.
And Billy fits right in at Landview High.
Fits in. He does more than fit in, apparently. He's the star of his class.
Ah, well, he's quite a boy. He obviously gets his good looks from his mom.
Oh, no, Walter.
I don't know where he gets his brains from.
Or his sports ability. That's one reason I'm so keen on joining the country club. It's got an Olympic-sized swimming pool that Billy could use this summer.
Well, I don't see any problem in getting you into the club. My husband and I would be happy to sponsor you. And you know something? Billy might even get Joey back into swimming. Joey used to swim a lot, but he has problems with his asthma, and he stopped completely.
Well, maybe you want to think about it. After all, we've only just met.
You know something? My son is an excellent judge of character, and any friend of his that he likes that much must come from a very nice family.
Oh,
Would you like some more iced tea?
and we've already taken up so much of your time.
Oh, no, not at all. Besides, the boys are probably so immersed in one of Joey's video games, you'd have to pry them loose with a crowbar.
Billy had a couple of very good friends he had to leave behind when we moved. And he didn't complain, but I think he doubted he'd ever meet anybody he liked as much. So we're really grateful he and Joey have hit it off.
Oh, well, I can tell you that Joey is thrilled.
Joe.
Yeah.
You know what you were saying about that waitress at Wanda's? You know,
Yeah.
The one who's pregnant?
Yeah.
She's a member of the family?
Well, not for long. See, she married my brother Kevin, right? I really don't know what happened exactly. But I know that he's so broken up about it, he went all the way to the family ranch. Now, so I realized it wasn't him that ended it. Must have been her, right? Don't ask me why. Like, anything girls do makes sense. So what do you think? Are girls another species?
Unquestionable.
Those guys, they're so simple, you know? If they want to be your friends, then you know it. If they want to smash you in the face, they let you know. But, you know, girls, I think they're my friend. Then I finally get up the guts to go say hello, and then they smash me in the face.
Listen, Joey, I've got this neighbor, and she's really cool about this stuff. She says that guys and girls are all the same. They're just scared.
Well, if everybody's so freaked, why don't we all just say it? Right up in front.
That's what she keeps saying, you know, that we should all tell each other the truth. I mean, that sounds fairly radical. Think about it.
You know what I'd like to do? I'd like to do a little exploring this summer. There's got to be someplace, somewhere, like, oh, the island of non-weird girls. I don't know. I'm not greedy. I'd settle for one semi-normal female who doesn't feel she has to date everybody 3 years older than her.
Dream on.
Hey, come on, it could happen. Well, at least the season's right. In the movies, the guy always meets a girl in the summer.
That's in the movies, Joey. Bet you I can beat you hoops.
Hey, you are up for a challenge, pal.
Come on, man.
So this friend of yours, she, have a sister?
Come on.